Hello guys, my name is Sasha and this is my new video. Today's dessert is a very delicate, tender and similar to a lemon panna cotta with a thin lemon chocolate layer. It's sugar-free, it's butter-free and dairy-free. And I promise it's gonna be insanely delicious. For the base of this recipe, I'm using homemade coconut milk. If you're wondering how to make it at home, put your thumbs up and I'll post the video very soon. In fact, it's very easy and quick to make it at home. So, for our lemon panna cotta, we start with 1 large egg. We put it into a saucepan, then add a little bit more than 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Sweetener to your taste, I'm using dry sugar substitute. And since our dessert is lemon, we need 50 milliliters of lemon juice. If you're not a fan of very rich lemon treats, go for 30 milliliters. Mix everything thoroughly, breaking up the lumps of the starch and the egg. Now pour our milk, 1 cup of the milk, that's what we need. And now turn on the fire below medium and heat the cream. We need to bring it to a boil and it will begin to thicken. Stir it constantly and keep it on fire for another 1 minute. Now let the cream cool for a couple of minutes and pour it into serving glasses. But not all the cream. Leave a small part of the cream in the saucepan. And while it's still hot, put there literally 10-15 grams of sugar-free dark chocolate. It instantly dissolves in the hot cream, mix everything well, and put the chocolate layer on top of the lemon layer. Now put it in the fridge until it cools completely, that's very quick, and voila, everything is done, and our chic, light dessert is ready to be eaten. To be honest, this is one of my favorite desserts, so if you're also a fan of soft mousse treats, this is definitely for you. You can also serve it on a flat plate, because it's very easy to take it out from the glass. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. See you in other videos, bye!